Another movie, another video from the Amiga freak Alaf. As you can tell, sky is blue, sun is shining. The sun is always shining on MTV. That's an expression I heard some time ago. Today it's 17th of May, it's the Norway's Constitution Day. And here again is my car. I like it. I don't give a shit what others thinks. Yeah, right. But I'm not here to show my car. As you might be able to tell by the last video I uploaded to YouTube. Maybe you can hear the sound in the background. Maybe you can see where I am. This is a transportation unit from the steel mill here. It's a bridge and it's a river, and you might be able to hear the sound now. Let's see, what's here? What's next? Oh my god. Beautiful, ain't it? Really beautiful. The TV reporters have promised us maybe a 5-year flood. So this can only get better. Now, what do you think? I think it's nice. The city I'm shooting this video from is Rana, the city known as the city beneath the Arctic Circle here in Norway. And over there, at the big plant, you can see the ironwork or the steel mill or whatever. Not too many cars here today because most of the cars are downtown. Maybe I should shoot this video again in rush hour. In rush hour time it will be plenty of cars here. Okay, let's have a nice 180 degrees view before I shut it down. Please join IRC at EFNet, Channel Amiga. Channel Amiga IRC at EFNet is the most active and friendly IRC channel, Amiga IRC channel worldwide. I can guarantee you that. And my guarantee is, don't come easy. Yeah, right, over and out.